All right, guys, what's going on, man? This is Bruno over here. Got my boy Lucas with me. Say what up, Lucas.
What's up?
Over here, Mass N54 gang, you know what I mean? We don't mess around, but yo, check this out. Show you guys today how to clean your injectors properly, all right? Reinstall them perfectly, and do the seals on them, all right? I'll show you guys step by step. But I'm pretty sure you guys been watching a lot of videos out there about everything, how it all gets done. So I'm gonna cut a few steps over here. I'm gonna get directly to the injectors. I'm gonna make this as simple as possible. All right, so let me give this a little flip. I'll show you guys what's up. Yeah, buddy, new injector seals cooking. Brand new seals and decouplers, because you know how we do it. Just like this. Oh yeah. So as you all know how it's done, right? So you gotta take all your stuff out. I'm doing my valve cover as well. There's a crap load of videos of people doing valve covers out there, so I'm not even gonna get to that. So you got everything out, like you're gonna do your valve cover and all that. When you get to your injectors, right? So you're over there at your injectors and chilling. So you gotta get this out. Bang, this holds your injector in place. You need, where's the wrench we just used? Right here.
E14?
It's an E10. You need an E10 for this. You know what that is? Lucas, can you help me out, dude? Get on the same page over here. There you go. See, you need an E10 for that. You take that out. I'll tell you guys what the torque specs are when I get ready to put it back on. It's simple. You just take this off, right? People make a big deal that, like, they say that you need a tool for this, a tool for that, stuff to get your injectors out. Just get a good grip on it, wiggle it a little bit, and pull it. Boom, it comes out just like that. Bang, that's injector one. Can you mark that? Injector one. Oh my God. It's already marked. So boom, we're gonna do two at a time. Just give it a little wiggle. Comes right out. Grab it tight. Bang, out. And that's it. All right, see the seal on that freaking thing? Messed up. All right. So that's step one. You take them out, mark them, so you know which one is which, because they got to go back in the same place. If not, you got to code them. I'm gonna make another video on that eventually. But yeah, all right. So take a break now. I'm gonna clean these. Whoop, whoop.
Okay.
All right. So step by step on how to clean and change these, okay? So first thing you do, make sure they're freaking dirty, which they are. Real dirty. Little alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, that's the way to go. Douse your little rag a little bit. And I just cleaned them recently, so this is gonna be nice and easy, nice and quick. They're gonna be pretty clean. So you just, you know, clean them up. This, bring it in there. Make sure there's, like, you see how there's a little carbon on that? Take your fingernail and then go to it like that. Bang, bang it out. A little more alcohol. Biatch. Look, it's right here. Right here. And you clean the tips real nice. Alright, so after you're done cleaning that, right? Clean the whole thing real nice. And these things right here, I'm replacing them too. I forgot what the heck they're called, but I'm pretty sure everybody knows already. So just grab them. There's little clips on them. Just grab them, take it out.
Decouplers?
Yeah, decoupler. Yeah, exactly. The decoupler. You bang, take it out. Throw that bitch away. Clean your injector real nice, just like I'm doing, like this. This is number 2 that I'm doing. Just clean, you know. Don't be shy. It's your injector. Feel me? Real clean. Now this is the thing, right? I've watched a lot of videos online, but these guys, they don't really show you what to do. So this tool right here, this is gonna cut that seal off for you. You put it on there, and a little shaky, Jesus. You squeeze it, bang. Cuts it right up for you. See that? It's off. Piece of cake. It's an old freaking joint. Okay, so now we're gonna install the decoupler. Taking it off is easy. You see these little tabs right here? You just bend them back and you pull it off, right? And to put it on, you just slide it on. Bang, pressure, like that. It's on, your decoupler is on. And then your seal, you got your seal right here. Put the seal on. It's not easy, it's a little pain. You put this little piece that comes with the kit. By the way, I'll put a link in the description from where I got these. You can get them at ECS Tuning for like 80 bucks shipped, like 75 bucks shipped. So you put this little part that comes with the kit right here, and you push your seal down. It's not easy. It stretches it a little bit and bang, it goes right in. You gotta push hard, right? And then it comes with this right here. So it's pretty self-explanatory kind of. So you go with the shiny one, right? Is the one that goes on first. And they're like cone shaped from the inside, so you gotta see the big side goes on first, and that helps push it in, squeezes it in. So you put this one on, which is the shiny one on first, right? And then the small black one goes on second, and then the final one is this one. This one is hard. It doesn't go on easy, okay? And it doesn't come off easy either, so you gotta pull hard. Don't be afraid of pulling. You're not gonna break anything. These injectors are pretty sturdy. All right, so this one's been on there for a couple of seconds, right? You take it off, put the second one on, put the bigger side in, and then you push it in, all the way in. It's a little hard, but that just pushes the thing into the groove where it belongs. And then the catch is, you leave these two on for a few seconds. And this one, you put it on and you leave it there for about a minute. I'd say should be fine. Just so it sits on there. And when you take it, and when you take this one off, you got to put it in the engine immediately. You only have a few seconds before it expands again, and then you can't get it in good. But once you leave this on for a little bit, you'll be able to put your injector in there, no problem. All right, so left this one on for a little bit. Take it out. It's not gonna come out easy. And then now, time to put this one on. Right? Now look, it's not easy, it's hard. You gotta push it. Bang, it's in. All the way in. Push it all the way in. This one stays on here for a minute. Okay guys, so a minute has passed. I got this on. Right? So here we go. Doesn't come out easy. So pull it out. Oh, that came out easy. The other one was harder than this one. There you go. And put it on. Squeeze it in. There's a little tab. It only goes on one way. Boom. Right in there. All set.